In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Monday.com. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Notion with Monday.com using the app marketplace. Let's get started. To start things off, we're going to navigate over to your Monday.com dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner. You should see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu, a little gateway to several options you might need to explore later. In this instance though, we are focusing on just one thing, heading over to the app marketplace. So from that drop-down menu you just opened by clicking your profile picture, you'll want to look for the option labeled App Marketplace. Easy, right? Now that you're in the marketplace, you'll see a search bar ready for your query. In this search bar, type Notion and press Enter. Upon doing so, a list of options related to Notion will appear before you. We are interested in a specific application among these, called Notion Embed for Monday.com. Go on and select it when you find it. Once you've highlighted the app, it's time for the actual installation. This part is just as smooth as the previous steps. Simply click on the app, which will then present you with more detailed information if you're curious, and an option to install app. When you hit install app, this begins the process to add it to your Monday.com workspace, integrating the two platforms so that they work harmoniously. And that's it. You've successfully connected Notion to Monday.com. With this integration, you can now embed and access your Notion pages directly inside your Monday boards. It's a seamless way to enhance productivity, allowing you to readily view all your necessary Notion content without leaving Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.